Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for the month of November 2025 for Aries. Okay, so this is a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for the month, key challenges and obstacles, actions or advice. What are the strengths and opportunities you may have, and what is the probable outcome? At the end, we will take a guiding message from the angel and our ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. So let's start the reading. Let's start the reading. For Aries, the overall energy for Aries in November 2025. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's spread the cards first, and then we will do the reading. What are the key challenges or obstacles we have? Key challenges or obstacles we have for Aries in November. Key challenges or obstacles for Aries in November. Wow. Okay. Okay. What is the key challenges and obstacles we have for Aries in November? Okay, we'll take both. Alright, let's see what are the action or advice we have for you. What's the action or advice we have for you for Aries? What is the action or advice we have for Aries? What is the action or advice we have for Aries in November 2025? Actions or advice we have for Aries in November 2025. Actions or advice we have for Aries in November 2025. Okay. Alright. We'll take one more as a clarifier to Four of Cups. Actions or advice for Aries. We'll take this one. Okay. Alright. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for Aries in November. The strength and opportunities for Aries in November. The strength and opportunities we have for Aries. Wow. You are dealing with a lot. You are dealing with a lot. Mainly related to your emotions, subconscious fears. The energies are, heavy. A bit heavy. Not too heavy, but yeah. There's a lot going on with you. Okay, let's see. The strength and opportunities for Aries. See? The strength and opportunities we have for Aries. Okay, one more please. As a clarifier to Nine of Wands as the strength and opportunities for Aries. All right. Okay. So the overall energy is that you have to be, very careful when it comes to handling your finances. आपको अपने finances को लेके बहुत focused रहने की ज़रूरत है, goal oriented होने की ज़रूरत है. You need to have a specific goal and you need to have a proper plan and strategy on how you are going to achieve it. ठीक है, आपको अपने finances को बहुत carefully handle करना है. आपको हो सकता है आपको कुछ नई opportunities भी मिल सकती है. There are chances of kind of a reward or recognition coming your way. And you will be also, for some of you will be very careful in investing. अगर आप invest करने का plan कर रहे हो, so you have to analyze the situation from different angles and then only proceed towards investment. Okay, that is what the overall energy is. There is growth coming in. There is balanced and focused energy I am seeing related to your finances. You are also very energetic. You are not giving up on the situation, which is very good, but you have to be very careful. That's the only thing I'm seeing as of now when it comes to handling your finances or the overall energy in the month of November. Okay, Now, the key challenges or obstacles, like you are emotionally somewhere, feeling not feeling so good, feeling heavy, and somewhere you are focused on the past energies. You are, you are giving your attention, or you're giving importance to what has happened in the past. You are taking the past with you, and you, because of that, आप अपने लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो. Okay, so you have to change your perspective, whatever it is. Like, you are having growth, you are having, opportunities in your hand, everything around you is good, you are thankfully blessed with everything. Like, for some of you, it's like you have, everything basically which other people crave for. You are blessed with everything, but still you are deep down, you are not happy. You are not happy because of the past experiences. For some of you, I am seeing the energy of heartbreak, and आप उससे overcome नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या आप उससे move on नहीं कर पा रहे हो. You are focusing on what is gone rather than focusing on कि आप अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करके अपना, अपना अटेंशन, अपना फोकस चेंज करके आप अपने ग्रोथ की तरफ लगा सकते हो. तो आपको उस तरफ, अगर आप उसी एनर्जी में रहोगे, तो आप, मूव ऑन करना और ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, और ज़्यादा टाइम टेकिंग हो जाएगा. सो ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन इट, ट्राई टू चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव, ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन द लेसन यू हैव लर्न फ्रॉम दैट एक्सपीरियंस, और फिर आप अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने की आपको ज़रूरत है. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to focus on the lesson, what you have learned from that experience. It can be anything basically, but mainly it is related to your emotions, because somewhere either you are not expressing it, or if the situation is completely over, आप उसको जाने नहीं दे रहे हो. Okay, so that is what I am getting. You may be feeling a missing, like there is this energy of missing a bond, missing a connection. So you need to, just let that go. If it is not in your hand and it was in the past, you need to let the past be in the past. Okay, so अगर आप उसको अपने साथ लेके जाओगे, तो आपकी जर्नी और हैवी हो जाएगी, और आपको ज़्यादा, डिफिकल्ट होगा अपने गोल की तरफ पहुंचने में, गोल तक पहुंचने में. ठीक है, that is what I am getting. Now, coming to the action or advice, like you have the opportunity coming in, but as I said, आप फोकस पास्ट पे कर रहे हो, तो आप अपने प्रेजेंट पे ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे हो. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके पास आ रही है. फॉर सम ऑफ यू, इट कैन बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक ऑफ यू के, if you are looking for a connection in your life, an emotional connection in your life, you are being given that opportunity by the universe, but you are too closed off. You are not putting your guards down, and you are somewhere, protecting yourself from getting hurt, and you are, not ready to communicate, not ready to open up. That is what I'm getting. And the universe is giving you the opportunity, but you are closed off. No, I don't want it, I don't need it. And you are focusing on the past traumas, past wounds, past person, past connection. It's all the past energy you're focused on, and not the new things coming in your life. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to change your perspective and take the opportunities given to you by the universe. You have to be very mindful of the things you are sharing with others. आपको अपनी हर चीज़, बहुत केयरफुली शेयर करनी, हर चीज़ शेयर नहीं करनी है. और आप जो भी अपने बारे में जो भी शेयर कर रहे हो, be it on social media, be it with your friends, your family, there are hidden enemies around you. I'm seeing कोई है आपके आसपास, आपके सर्कल में, आपके फॉर, कुछ के लिए हो सकता है आपके फैमिली में ही कोई कुछ ऐसे मेंबर्स हो सकते हैं जो आपकी सक्सेस, आपकी ग्रोथ, या आपके, आपकी हैप्पीनेस से उतने खुश नहीं होंगे शायद. ओके, तो आपको बहुत केयरफुल होना है कि आपको किसके साथ अपनी बातें शेयर करनी है, कितनी शेयर करनी है. उस चीज़ पे भी आपको ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज देयर आर चांसेस कि हो सकता है आप कुछ काम करो, बट उसका क्रेडिट कोई और लेके चला जाएगा. ओके, हो सकता है आपकी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आपने डिस्क्लोज कर दी, एंड देन इट्स नॉट योर्स एनी मोर, और यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इट एनी मोर. दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी आई एम गेटिंग. एंड बी माइंडफुल एंड बी केयरफुल विद योर इम्पोर्टेंट स्टफ. आपकी जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं, आप उसको संभाल के रखिए, बिकॉज देयर आर चांसेस दैट, एज आई सेड, some things might be taken away from you. There is energy of manipulation, there is this energy of deception, there is this energy of cheating, or being not having so good intention, and people will play friendly in front of you, but deep down they are having different hidden agendas or hidden motives, which is not good for you in the long run. Okay, so that is what I am getting for you. So be careful, don't focus on the past, try to focus on the present, try to focus on the opportunities being given to you by the universe, and be mindful of with whom you are sharing your important things with. Okay, now the strength and opportunities are, see, whatever you have been working on for so long, it's, you know, the rewards are just, you know, around the corner. Okay, so don't give up, don't give up on things, and you know, don't try to divert your mind. Don't be in this energy of I am not, you know, मैं अपना 100% दे रहा हूँ या दे रही हूँ, but मुझे result नहीं मिल रहा है and I am tired, I can't, you know, I can't work anymore on this, उस तरह की energy. So you don't have to be in that energy. हो सकता है आप, you know, you are working on so many things from different, you know, so working on so many different things from so long, but आपको rewards नहीं मिल रहे थे. There was this energy of slow movement, but now it's, you know, the rewards are around the corner, and don't give up, just, you know, just stay still. Okay, be there, don't give up on the situation. And for some of you, I also see that you are focusing on too many different things. Okay, so it's like अगर आप अपने प्लेट में बहुत ज़्यादा ले लोगे ना, अपना टास्क बहुत सारे ले लोगे, तो आप फोकस नहीं कर पाओगे easily. So you need to understand what is important and what is not. Okay, I am also seeing that you might be, for some of you it can be for very specific कि आपको, you know, if you are looking for a partner or for a connection, there are chances that you will be in this energy of not able to decide what do you actually want, what kind of connection you want, or you know, what kind of there are choices basically where you have to decide, and आप decide नहीं कर पाओगे, and that will also make you feel tired. For very few of you, I don't know, I'm getting this very strongly कि, you know, there are chances कि या तो आप या आपके partner, you know, they might be, you know, looking into different other things, which is, you know, also causing this energy of, you know, feeling left out and tired of handling things all alone and managing things all alone, where you are not getting the support and love and care from your partner as you should, or what you are expecting. That is what also I'm getting. It can be for very specific, very few of you, so don't force it on yourself if it is not resonating. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. If you are working on too many different things, try to focus on the things which are, you know, good for you in the long run. Okay, बहुत प्लानिंग और बहुत स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आपको आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है. जैसे मैंने बोला ना, ओवरऑल एनर्जी फॉर द मंथ इज कि आपको बहुत फोकस रहने की जरूरत है, बहुत स्ट्रैटेजी और बहुत प्लान के साथ आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबल आउटकम. These cards can be in any areas of your life. Okay, it's not specific the love life or the work life, personal life. It can be, these are the overall energies for any areas of life basically. Okay, please clarify 8 of Pentacles as the probable outcome for Aries. 8 of Pentacles as the probable outcome for Aries. What is the probable outcome for Aries? 8 of Pentacles. Please clarify 8 of Pentacles. I'm feeling, you know, these heavy energies reading your cards. Yeah, you need to, you know, let go of the past energies and focus on the new things. That is what the outcome is. You need to work on your skills, you need to work on your ideas. आपको, you know, creative रहने की ज़रूरत है, आपको अपने skills को improve करने की ज़रूरत है, and there is this energy of learning new things. Okay, so as I said that there is this energy of learning new things. You might be distracting your mind by working on so many other things. So you need to understand what is good for you in the long run and upgrade your skill, upgrade your knowledge in that field. आपको बहुत creative ideas आ सकते हैं, बहुत logically आप, you know, चीज़ों को देखोगे, सोचोगे, and उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको प्लान करने की ज़रूरत है, आपको बाउंड्रीज सेट करने की ज़रूरत है. जो भी कन्फ्यूजन्स थे वो सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल इन योर कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो, इज वॉट आई एम गेटिंग. ओके, सो जो भी आपका आइडिया है, जो भी आपका थिंकिंग है या जो भी आप चीज़ों से डील कर रहे हो, आपको उसको इफेक्टिवली कम्युनिकेट करने की ज़रूरत है वेयर एवर इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. The outcome is good. All you have to do is to come out from your past. Okay. Let's see what is the advice. Lord, take charge with authority. See, it is the same as the King of Swords. Okay, you need to take charge. You need to be, in that position of saying what is acceptable to you and what is not acceptable to you. Be good in your communication. Take the charge of your of your things, maybe of your finances, of your emotions, of your relations, of important things you are dealing with. It's like you need to have the power, you need to have the control of your own life, of your own things. Okay, don't let other people decide for you all the time. Rather, you need to be in this energy of taking charge, being in the power, and doing things what makes you feel good or what is important as per you to deal with the things or the situation how you want to. Okay, so that was the reading for you, Aries, for the month of November. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.